Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all safe and sound. Speaking of sound, today I want to show you how I changed the exhaust pipe on my Harley Street 750. A big thank you to my daughter who basically shot this entire video. She had to get down on the floor sometimes to get the camera angles right, but she stuck with me till the end and shot this entire video, which is a great job by her. So thank you, Tashi. All right, so the process is pretty simple. You just have to remove a few nuts and a few hose clips and wiggle the exhaust out. You will need a 10 mm spanner and a 12 mm bit with a socket wrench preferably. If you don't have a socket wrench, you can still probably try and remove the spanner just like I did. All right, let's go ahead and see how it's done. So let's go ahead and remove this nut. As you can see, it's in a very awkward position, so I suggest you use a socket wrench so that you get the adequate amount of torque required to loosen this up. I'm using a spanner to remove this, but I did have to struggle a bit to get this out because I could not get the proper grip. But if you have a socket wrench, I suggest you use that. Now let's go ahead and remove these two nuts here. They're 10 mm nuts, which basically secure the exhaust to a frame which runs parallel to the swing arm. I've used a flat spanner to remove them. Now let us remove the hose clip, which basically secures the exhaust pipe to the section of the pipe coming from the engine. Okay, now that I've removed all the nuts and loosened the hose clips, this is how it looks. And now my trouble begins. Remember I said wiggling it out of place? This is what I meant. You can see me struggling quite a bit here. Now I'm not going to show you all the struggle. It took me quite a while to get it out of place. I'm really going to save some embarrassment for myself and time lapse it and show you only the good bit where I pull the exhaust out like magic. And there you go. Just like magic. Putting it back in, you want to ensure that there are no gaps and that the pipe is fully pushed in. This will avoid any exhaust fume leakage, and the screws are properly fastened on the bracket. We then secure the hose clip properly back into its place. Secure the 10 mm nuts on the bracket. Tightening the hose clips. So now that we've put everything back, let's start the bike and see how it goes. I hope this was useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you around. Cheers!